Okay guys, let me continue our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set up grid and elevation line. Grid is located under architecture and also structure. You can find grid here, and under architecture you can find as well the grid. So the shortcut key, you can access the grid command by press button G and R on your keyboard, or you can press this button. Okay, so the grid line drawing mode currently activated. So let me start to construct a grid line. You can just click and then stretch. You can see it start with this icon, and then at the end it has a number of the grid. So you can continue construct a grid line by hovering and then near to the existing grid line, and you can see that it will attach and then it will give you some information on the length of the second grid to the first grid that we already constructed. So stretch, and then you can see that at the end there is a dotted line showing it is a line. Okay, we press the escape button to release the command, and then we can do modification by press or click the existing grid line. So then the ribbon of the containing all the command will move to the modify and grids. Okay, so what you can do here, you can see here the distance between the line here and grid line is 3600 millimeter. So when you click this one, you can edit accordingly. Let me change the spacing to 4000. So the line that will be moved is the selected grid line, currently in the blue color. Enter, and then you can see the grid line, the selected grid line move upward. So when you click this second grid line number 2, and then you want to change the size to 5000, so the one that will move is the grid line number 2, like that. Okay, let me change the spacing to 4000, and then another modification that you can do is by placing this value permanently. I can see when I release the selection of grid line number 2 by pressing anywhere inside the working drawing, the dimension between these two grid line will also disappear. To permanently place the spacing, let's press one of the grid line and then press this icon. So make this temporary dimension permanent. Click, and it is permanent here. So you can move by drag the line here. Sorry, to the left. Okay, and also you can move this one, have a distance a little bit from the grid line. And then you can also place the numbering of the grid line on the left side as well by clicking or select this. So here, click this one, so the bubble will appear as well on the left side. Okay, let me add more grid line. So you can go to grid, and then instead of creating a grid line by using line, you can use the existing grid line and then use the pick line command here, grid line command here, and then pick the line. I'm picking the line, but before you pick the line, you have to set the offset. So let's say it's 5,000. So when I hovering my cursor on the existing grid line, a temporary grid line will be constructed. So then you can select where do you want to place the grid line permanently. So I want to place it down, then click, then square, and then it will be automatically give a numbering, increase the numbering to number 3. And you can click this one, show bubble at the left side as well. Then it's fine, and then I want to have a different offset, 4,000 here, and click down here, and then click here, and I have left side bubble as well. And I release the command, and then create new grid line by construct the line here for vertical grid line. Now here, and then click here. Oh, I'm sorry. Since the offset that we have here still active, so then we have the offset. So it's supposed to be 0.0, and then pick line here, and then you can see here automatically they continue the numbering system. But you can change this to alphabet numbering. And then I construct new grid line by picking and then set the offset to 7,000. This one. So automatically continue the numbering to the alphabetic numbering. And then I want set another one here to the last grid line, 4,000. Okay, done. Escape, release the command, and then you can adjust a little bit, move the grid line further. This I want to add bubble as well on the top. Okay, then you will continue to set up the elevation line or elevation datum. Go to the east view, And you can see here currently we have level 0 at elevation of 0 millimeter, level 1 at 4000 millimeter from the ground. So you can edit and move the datum line by moving this one and stretch it outside a little bit more. Okay, then you can change accordingly the elevation 3500. So the selected line here, level line, will be changed. So I make it higher. I want to create another 2 level. And then same as the horizontal grid line or the grid line, the level or datum can be created as well. You can find the command is level, or the shortcut key is LL, level. Then you can use the pick line and then ensure you have the offset 4000, and then you tick the make plan view. If you miss the make plan view, the plan floor or floor plans will not be generated. Okay, 4000, or let me make it 3000 offset, and then here 3000 and 3000. Okay, so the plan view automatically created for level 2 and level 3. Let me check the north elevation. Okay, and then we move a little bit the grid line, the elevation line outside, and then higher the grid line here to ensure the grid line also appear on the level 3. Okay, we'll turn back to level 0 and check each level that we already have. Level 3, so all the floor plans already set for each level. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we will learn how to place isolated foundation at intersection of grid lines. Thank you.